Hi, in this video we'll discuss about lists and its operations in Python. So I'll just open the PyCharm window. So coming to this part, you can see so list is an ordered collection of items and it can contain elements of different data types. So it's unlike arrays which need to be have the same data type, but in the list we can have different data types. It can be integer, it can be string, or it can be any other list also. So list can be present within a list. So all these kinds of elements can be present in a list or data types. So this list is been defined using a square brackets. You can see these are square brackets, and each element is separated by a comma. Okay, so now I'll just take this example PyCharm. So here fruits like it has a list of apple, banana, and cherry. So now if you want fruits dot any options, so all other options whatever you want you can have here. So fruits.extend, fruits.clear, fruits.sort, fruits.pop. So what are all the options you have for this list you'll be getting here whenever you try to submit or press dot option, right? So now the basic we'll just check for a fruits of what is present in the zero index. So if you try to print this, fruits of 0, and now if you enter or you run the program, you'll be getting apple. So fruits of 0 is apple that is present in the first index. Now if you want to append anything or you want to add anything to the fruits list, so it's fruits dot, you can see the append option is present here. So dot append, and what we want to append. So I want to append maybe another fruit named, sorry, maybe pineapple. So I'll be giving pineapple. So I'll have given a pineapple, right? Now after that I'll execute. Now you see I'll just try to print. So the pineapple will be appended onto the last element. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3. So now if you try to get fruits of 3, it should be pineapple that should be present. So I'll just I'll print it also. Now we'll run and check. So we got the pineapple, right? So fruits of 3 is nothing but pineapple. Now I just want to insert instead of apple, I just want to insert some jackfruit maybe. So fruits dot insert at the location 1, maybe at location 0 I want to replace apple with jackfruit, right? So I can do this way. Oh sorry, so this index that claims what exactly you want. So I'll just remove that index option. Okay, so now it's just an indication that at an index 0 what is the object you want to create, that is a jackfruit, and just run it. And now I'll try to print fruits of 0. Okay, so now you are able to see jackfruit. So what is present at the 0th index is now jackfruit. And so instead of append, so append will happen on the end of the array or end of the list. Insert can be helpful when you want to insert any particular location with that index number. Okay, so similarly we can pop up with the remaining options also. I'll just browse through those things instead of me typing everything. So one is removing the elements, like remove banana from a particular point or from a particular list. And if you want to pop up any index element you have, that you can give directly dot pop of 1. And if you want to find this length of the, and so yeah, we need to print that length also, right? So print the values and now run it. So you got 3. Okay, now apart from these, so what else we can have? Yeah, the sort item. So sorting will help you in giving the order for the numbers. Similarly, if I have any count, like how many times 2 is repeating. For example, I just copy this and maybe I'll just run this, Control C. Okay, I'll remove this, Control V. So here maybe I'll create an instance of 3. So how many times 3 is repeating? So for that, we'll just run this. Numbers dot count. So you can see here count. So in the count, what exactly you want to check? 3. The value what you want to check in the list is 3. How many times the value 3 is repeating? So you can just run this. Yeah, sorry, we need to print it actually. That's my bad. I'm always doing the same mistake again. Sorry. So if you can run, you will be getting how many times the 3 is present. 3 is present 3 times. So actually, it's maybe I'll just increase the 3 one more time. So here you can see 3 is now 4 times. So this helps in getting the count of the number present in the list, right? And what else framed here? An extend option. So an extend option is just instead of appending only one item to a list, you can have an extend. You can mix or you can append 2 lists at a time instead of having one element appending. Appending. So we can have extend option in which 2 lists can be extended one after each other. So that is an use of this extend option, right? So anything else also you can just click on your numbers or any list dot. You'll be getting all these options whatever you want and you can check it out. Okay. Now last not what the least. So we'll work with list comprehensions. So list comprehensions are it is a way of creating a list based on existing list within one line. So that is an what can I say, a very good option for anyone who can work on these things. So maybe I'll just create a num1. This is another list which is equals to x for, or sorry, maybe I'll take x into x in, sorry, x into x into x. So this is x cube. So for this, all these x's, they need to have those numbers values from, right? That is for x in numbers. Okay, so now it will create a list with this x cube. So 1 cube, 2 cube, 2 cube, again 3 cube, 4 cube. So it will take each and every number from these numbers and it will insert into this expression or into this formula, whatever you call it as, right? So this is an iterative methodology what you are doing or what you are trying to get into the comprehensive list. So we'll discuss more about iterators and generators in the coming tutorials. For right now, this is the way how you can create a comprehensive list within a one line. So maybe I'll just print the num1. So you can see everything is multiplied thrice, x cube. Okay.